In today's video, I'm going to teach you to pay Halifax credit card from another bank. We'll walk through the process using your other bank's online banking or mobile app, keeping it simple and secure. Before you begin, have your Halifax credit card details handy. These are the official payment details provided by Halifax, often found in your statements or within your Halifax app. Never enter anything you're unsure about. Using the exact details Halifax provides is essential for the payment to go to the right place. Start by signing in to your other bank's online banking or mobile app. Most banks will ask for a passcode or two-factor authentication, so complete that as usual. Once you're in, head to the payments or transfer section. Different banks might label this differently, but it's typically where you pay people, companies, or make bank transfers. Choose the option to make a payment to a new payee. This tells your bank you're adding someone new to send money to. If your bank asks whether you're paying a person or a company, select the option that matches how your bank handles credit card payments. Now enter your Halifax credit card details as the recipient. Depending on your bank, you may be asked for a sort code and account number or for specific card payment details that Halifax supplies. Some banks will also ask for a payment reference. Use the reference Halifax specifies, which is often your full credit card number. Double check every digit here. The right details ensure your payment is credited correctly. Next, type in the amount you want to pay. You can choose the minimum payment, the full statement balance, or any amount in between based on what you plan to clear. Keep in mind your bank's daily transfer limits and any pending payments you've already scheduled. Before sending, review everything carefully, confirm the recipient details, match what Halifax provided, make sure the amount is correct, and verify the reference exactly as instructed by Halifax. A quick pause here can save a lot of hassle later. When everything looks good, confirm the transfer. Your bank may ask you to authenticate once more. After you approve, you'll usually see a confirmation message or reference number. Save it for your records. That's it. Your Halifax credit card has been paid from another bank. Payments often arrive the same day via faster payments, though it can take a little longer, depending on your bank and the time you sent it. You can check your Halifax credit card account later to see the payment reflected. Thanks for watching and well done on staying on top of your credit card payments.